this, well, this is the Edison pouch made by Colo in size medium. And I use it to carry all these things. I have a notebook, some water papers, some water pens, regular pens, a little tin of watercolors, and of course you can put all kinds of things in it when I'm traveling. I might add a book to one side, but it has 4 pockets, and 2 of them are zipper pockets and 2 of them are just open. I'll show you how I organize my things in it. So one zippered side gets the pens, paintbrushes, paints. Right now I'm not putting anything in this side. All this stuff is kind of like 3-dimensional, and so the back pocket isn't super useful at the moment. Although I could, I suppose, yeah, actually this could equally as well go on this side, but I like to have papers on one side and stuff for marking papers on the other side. I'll put my journal in here. And zip these sides closed. That one's already zipped. And then you can snap it together. Becomes a little bit more handy for porting around. And also, now that it's snapped shut, like the watercolor paper that I put in here isn't gonna go anywhere. So that's it. The Colo Edison pouch, size medium. And it's about 11 inches in this dimension and 8 or 8.5 or so in this dimension.